Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the swipe action in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is you want to go to Gmail and then click on the three bar at the top right, top left. Scroll down until you find settings. Click on inbox customizations. Click on mail swipe action. So right now, my right swipe will be snooze and my left swipe will be trash. So if I want to change it, I can click on either of these options and I can change it to either archive or mute or mark as read and unread, or you can have it as no option at all. So once you've done that, you can hit done and the option for the swipe action will be changed. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.